Before you get started, what if you could make even more money and get results even faster with dropshipping? First off, I want to personally thank you for getting your hands on the step-by-step guide to making money online with dropshipping. When you follow what's inside, you'll have your first dropshipping site up right away and start making money fast. But what if you could get going faster, like within hours from right now? And not only will you get results faster, but what if you could get better results and put even more money in your pocket? Although the guide you just purchased is extremely easy to follow and is written in a very step-by-step format, it's a proven fact that the majority of people out there are visual learners and learn best by seeing something being done. How do you learn best? Would you rather read a guide and apply what you learn, or would you prefer to watch a video or be shown to do something? Do you know that most people that buy text-based guides don't even finish them? And if you happen to be one of the few people that actually does finish a text-based guide, most people never actually apply what they learned. The bottom line is that most people that try to learn with a text-based guide just don't have the patience and focus to follow through and get results. But what if you could get comprehensive training that shows you exactly what you need to do to see success with dropshipping? Something that would take you by the hand and give you that next level of training that you need to make money daily with your new dropshipping business. And not just any old results. Faster and much better results. The good news is, today that's exactly what you get the chance to get your hands on. Introducing the video upgrade to the dropshipping guide that you just purchased. My number one goal is to help you start making money with your dropshipping store as quickly as possible. With dropshipping, the small details can be the difference between making 6 figures per year or making little to no sales ever. Or even worse. If you do things wrong with your dropshipping business, you might end up wasting time and end up spinning your wheels, never making any money. That's why you need to really understand and comprehend every detail that you're being taught inside the guide to making money with dropshipping. To make absolutely sure you don't miss any of the key details that can be the difference between success and total failure. Things like how to get started and pick the right products, how to get your store up and running, how to get traffic flowing that wants to buy what's in your store, how to start making sales and scale up to a 6-figure income. If you miss just one important step with building your dropshipping business, you could find yourself wasting your time and possibly never making the kind of money you want with dropshipping. Most people that try to make money with dropshipping just wing it. But usually that doesn't work out so well. When you follow what's inside the step-by-step video training in this video upgrade, making money in your dropshipping business is very easy. Upgrading to the video version of the Guide to Making Money with Dropshipping is the solution that guarantees you learn how to do everything the right way. Click the button below to get instant access. And of course, as an existing and valued customer, you get to upgrade with special customer-only discounted pricing. When you consider that this is just like having a private coach come into your home or office and show you exactly how to start making big money with dropshipping, it will be easy to put a price of $500 or more on this upgrade. But you won't pay anywhere near that when you make the wise decision to upgrade today. Plus, when you take action today, you're also going to get an exclusive bonus of 10 high-quality audio MP3s of all the training. This makes it easy to learn on the go and get results quickly and easily. When you add the MP3s to the 10 high-quality videos that show you how to do everything with dropshipping to scaling your income up to a six-figure level, it's impossible to fail. Plus, you get to test drive the upgrade for the next 30 days with absolutely zero risk. If for any reason or no reason at all you're not 100% satisfied with what you learn inside, simply send me an email and I'll refund every single penny of your tiny investment. No questions asked. Whatever you do, please don't wait. This is an exclusive one-time offer at pricing that's only available to my existing customers. If you wait, you may never get another chance to get access to this at a price this low. Click the button below to get instant access today.